It'll be a tense wait for the families of Declan Laverty and Keith Kerinauia, lawyers delivering their final arguments before the jury is sent to deliberate. The prosecution today attempting to paint the accused as an unreliable witness, encouraging the jury to set aside his evidence except the part where he told the jury he thought the victim had a box cutter. Mr Ost argued Keith Kerinauia could not have been scared for his life given the size of his knife in comparison to Mr Laverty's. Several eyewitnesses who were at the BWS during or shortly after the stabbing have described seeing Mr Kerinauia laughing and smiling as he left the scene. He's having the time of his life while he was ending another person's life, Mr Ost said. He wanted to do it, he enjoyed doing it, it was a senseless murder. Mr Kerinauia's lawyer, John Tippett, told the jury the case was a genuine tragedy, describing the decision of both young men involved to resort to the use of knives in the circumstances as a ridiculous choice. Mr Kerinauia should never have retrieved his father's knife from the car. He should never have gone into that bottle shop with that knife. It was an act of outrageous stupidity and hot-headedness. Equally, Mr Laverty should never have pulled out his personal hunting knife and tried to use it to stab Mr Kerinauia, Mr Tippett told the court. The defence took the court through CCTV footage not released to the media, showing the incident frame by frame and pointing to moments which appear to show Mr Laverty advancing toward Mr Kerinauia. Mr Tippett said while the victim's knife was smaller than Mr Kerinauia's, it still had a blade long enough to kill a man, and had Mr Laverty's jabs been closer, Mr Kerinauia could well have died. As for what's next,
it's in the jury's hands and the judge will tell them all about the law and we'll find out soon enough.
Olivana Lathouris, ABC News.